Today I'm going to Silver Dollar City to ride the new ride Time Traveler. I'm gonna go meet up with some of my friends right now and then we're headed there. Let's do it! We're in line for Time Traveler right now. I've got my good friends here, Becca, and there's Will. He's really engaging. So we're just waiting in line for Time Traveler, and it's gonna be a good time. We waited like an hour to get to the stairs over there, and now it's just totally empty. Here we go! You excited?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that was actually so freaking good. Like that first drop was amazing. How do you feel about it, Becca? No, not so much. She didn't have a good time. She closed her eyes.
10% of the time I had mine.
It was so good. The airtime hill where it like whips you over to the right, you're just like, woo. I thought my fanny pack was gonna fly off, honestly. It came up to my chest. We're on Wildfire now. Woo! Here we go. Back to Wildfire. The line was so short, we just walked right on. Yeah! Woo! Go over the top. So good. So fun. Well, Powder Keg was closed. We went by there. So we're going to Outlaw Run now. There's the old toboggan ride, or the station at least. I forget why they destroyed it, or why they took it down. It was just a really old ride, but it's crazy the platform's still here. Time Traveler round 2, I'm so pumped. Let's go. Yes, this is so much better. Nobody's here right now. We waited through all of this last time. Like, oh my God. And as we got to the station, the whole empty part, or the whole like bottom part of the station was just empty. Let's see how it is this time. Oh my God, it's empty. Yo, let's just skip the picture. Way to go through all of this. There's no line, this is amazing. So I made some really cool friends in line. They're really cool people, and I want to introduce you. Woo! We're about to hop on Time Traveler right now. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Woo! You excited, Will? Yeah, there's our train. Well, that was a whole lot of fun. We're heading out now, though. So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and you want to say bye? Bye.
Bye.